Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. St. Basil's Cathedral is Moscow's most famous artistic work of architecture. The cathedral has 9 domes, each one corresponding to a different church, and is shaped like the flame of a bonfire rising into the sky, a design that has no parallel in Russian architecture. The cathedral foreshadowed the climax of Russian national architecture in the 17th century. Also called the Cathedral of Intercession of the Virgin by the moat. It is the most recognizable Russian building. The cathedral means to Russians the same as the Eiffel Tower to the French, being an honorable symbol of their past, present, and future. You can travel to Red Square by metro or by a car or by bus or by tram. There are many options which The name Kremlin means fortress inside a city and is often also used to refer to the government of the Russian Federation in a similar sense to how White House refers to the executive office of the President of the United States. The Kremlin is open to the public and offers individual and group guided tours. Visible are the artillery pieces, Tsar bell, Tsar cannon, and the explosion of Russian wooden sculpture and carvings. So this was all for the Red Square Moscow. Next we'll be going to the Moscow skyscrapers. So as everybody says, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also feel free to comment down below what you like and what you want me to add on to it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next video.